My name is Keith Curran, and I am the IT administrator for the DIFM group in the Oracle Cloud. Today's video, we're hopefully going to be able to help those of you signing into the Oracle Cloud for the first time. And so the first thing that you should look for is an email from the Oracle system welcoming you to the DIFM CIG grant and your name following it. And when you open that, you'll notice that the email has a button here saying, asking you to activate your account. So if you click on that button, it will bring you to a screen here, and it will ask you to enter a password. Okay, and when you click on reset password, it says congratulations. Now, normally if you wanted to move forward, you would click on continue to sign in, and then you would, if you enter your credentials here, it brings you to apps. Now this is not where you want to go. You want to be able to access the OCI system. I will show you where you want to go, and that is to the cloud.oracle.com. And you'll see something like this. So you'll want to type in DIFM CIG, which is the cloud account name, the tenancy, and you'll click next. And then it will bring you to the SSO page where you're going to click continue. And here is where you will enter in your credentials, your username, which is your email address, and then your password. And then when you sign in here, it will bring you to a dashboard in the Oracle Cloud interface. Okay, Oracle Cloud interface is commonly referred to as OCI also. And so I'm going to show you basically if you were to set up storage or something. I'm not going to go through everything in the dashboard today. I just want to make sure that if you can get to this page, you're successful. And then understanding what you have access to in terms of compartments, because every user in the system is assigned a compartment that's relevant to your employer or the university affiliation you have. And so if we were to set up, for example, if you were to spin up a storage, like a bucket, for example, simple storage element, the first thing you would do is you would see here compartment, and it will only show those compartments that you have security access to. The reason why is separation of data and segregating that data for security reasons. You'll have access to that data. The only other people who will have access to that data are the PIs or myself or somebody who's administrating the account. Oracle does not even have access to your data. So if you were setting up a bucket, you would click here. You see the root. You're going to click on Data Commons. And in this case, I have access to the University of Connecticut compartment. Now, if you were with WSU, you would see WSU here. If you were with the University of Illinois, you would see UIL, Montana, MSU, etc. Click on the bucket, okay, and now you see that the compartment is with UConn, and then you can create your bucket here. And that will be a video for another lesson. But if you don't see anything here in compartment, if it just shows, if you click on Data Commons and it does not show anything, that means that you haven't been signed a group yet, and you just need to contact me, and I'd be happy to change that for you. And I'll put my contact information at the end here. And that's pretty much it. So if you can get to this point, you have access.